Okay. I feel the pride, no, of being part of this forum. I think I have to pay tribute to this initiative, no, of the current leadership of the University Student Council for gathering you, no, in this significant occasion, making it it's the first, no, the first initiative since I joined UMAC to gather student leaders in this such a worthwhile undertaking. Okay? Reviewing and attempting to revise the student bylaws, constitution and bylaws. And I would like to, at this beginning, pay compliment also to the support of the former student leaders, of course, the former student regents, Hil Arcos, Cairo Ko, and of course Alex Rosaria, for having served, no, with utmost dedication, and you know they brought the university elsewhere, no, in not only in the NCR but also around the country, because for two consecutive years we have witnessed, no, the junior ALCU, okay, being run by UMAC student leaders. And so we would like to take this opportunity, you know, to formally congratulate, no, Mr. Hil Arcos and Mr. Cairo Janko for, you know, being part, no, and the first and the second, no, president of Junior ALCU. So would you like to give them a big hand? And also Alex here is the current board member of Junior ALCU, and I also speak highly about how Alex ran the student council for the last year. In fact, we also you know, presented to her a certificate, no, of Mancom Leadership Award. Okay. And we hope that the current, no, leadership, headed by, of course, the student regent, Mr. Rojan Fat, no, will find motivation and encouragement to the past leadership of the student council, at sana mahigitan, ano. With this initiative, I believe that you can do, no, you can exceed, and you can do higher great things, no, for the University of Makati. And for student leaders, do not be afraid, no, do not be afraid to ask the most difficult questions. I know lahat ng mga tanong na yan ay masasagot ni Sir Toby, lahat yan. Ha? Kayo matakot na tanungin, no, yung pinakamahirap na tanong, dahil with AIDS, with AIDS, di ba? AIDS na AGE, infallibility comes with AIDS, di ba? Pagka ikaw ay nagkakaedad, lahat ng mga tanong kaya mong sagutin ng tama kasi ano di ba? With your experience. Kaya nga kuminsan mauubos talaga yung buhok mo kapag sinasagot mo yung mga mahihirap na mga tanong. But you know, it was actually the term of Hil Arcos when I first shared this thought, no, of, you know, aligning the constitution and bylaws of your USC with the current setup of the Philippine government. Okay? I told Hil Arcos my experience when I was a student leader in college before. I shared with him that I too, contributed in passing an ordinance in the university where I graduated. Just a simple ordinance, a anti-fruit picking ordinance. Dahil doon sa eskwelahan na pinag-graduatean ko, ang daming mga mangga, pero walang napipitas ng eskwelahan na maayos na harvest. Kasi, hindi pa lumalaki yung mangga, tinitirador na ng mga estudyante. Okay? So, walang lumalaki, walang napipitas at walang nakaharvest. And so, I thought of passing a law, an ordinance, anti-fruit picking. Na paparusahan ang sinuman ang magtitirador sa mangga para lumaki yung mangga at ma-harvest, di ba? And that ordinance was posted doon sa puno ng mangga. At nag-start nga, na ganoon na mangyayari. At after 2 years, nagkaroon ng bountiful harvest dahil hinintay mo ng mahinog yung mangga. Okay? And it was an initiative of a student leader like you. Okay? So tingnan niyo ano ba yung mga ginagawa natin sa kasalukuyan na hindi tama, na pwedeng basihan ng paggawa ng batas pang estudyante. Marami, Ang dami pwedeng pag-isipan. So, diyan nagsimula yan. Itong initiative ito ni Rojan, diyan nagsimula yan nung panahon ni Hil Arcos na senior ko lang. And I'm just glad that this current student organization has initiated this revision, making it a real presidential form of government na merong presidente, merong cabinet secretaries, it can be a bicameral legislative body, merong kang upper, meron kang lower chamber, pero sabi ni Rojan kanina, kahapon, unicameral lang, isang chamber lang, parang student senate, ganun. And to complete the 3 branches of government, sabi niya, hinangad din nila na magkaroon ng judiciary body. So that makes it complete for a presidential government. Para maramdaman nyo na indeed, there is student government even in the classroom level. Diba? Masarap na magkaroon kayo ng pakiramdam na sa loob ng klase ninyo ay maramdaman nyo na merong student government. Yung kayo mismo, diba, ang nagpapatupad sa inyong gobyerno. Merong tinatawag na self-regulation. O, diba? You regulate your own self. Na kapag alam mong hindi tama yung gagawin mo, meron kang pagkukusa na hindi gagawin yon. Na kahit na walang magtatama sa'yo, gagawin mo yung tama. Okay? Kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na yun ang tama. Yung lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo na gawin natin ang tama, hindi dahil sa pararangalan tayo kung gagawin natin ito, or gawin natin ang tama, hindi dahil sa paparusahan tayo kung hindi natin to ginawa. Diba? Kundi gawin natin ang tama at mabuti dahil yan na yung prinsipyo natin sa buhay. Yung gumawa ng tama at mabuti kahit na walang nakakakita at kahit na walang parangal na tinatanggap. And by this, by this initiative, I pay tribute to this initiative. Nai-inspire ako kapag kaya kanina pagdating ko naka polo shirt. Tapos pagdating ko nakita ko lahat yung mga dumadating ay naka Filipiniana. Bumalik ako. nilagyan na nila ako ng ganito, binalik ko muna, bumalik ako. Kasi parang hindi ako aligned sa ano, kaya lang nakabaong pa rin. Wala akong ano, but I made my best effort to present myself, no, in Filipiniana kasi nahiya ako kay Rojan. Okay? But you know, I'm inspired, no? I'm inspired with this initiative, and you know, it sends me a sense of goodwill when I see all these three, no, joining our former student regents. And alam ko na malinaw sa isip ni Rojan kung ano yung ginagawa niya, kung ano yung dulo ng lahat ng pagsisikap na ito. Kasi in-involve niya yung mga, alam mo yun, nire-respeto niyang mga tao na nagbigay ng inspirasyon sa kanya. So, on behalf of the management and our cluster, the Office of the Vice President for Student Services and Community Development, we commit our support to this initiative, and we would like to assure you that we will have the time, the resources, and the facilities, no, to attend to your needs, to attend to your non-academic life. Okay? So, maraming salamat at umaasa ako na magtatagumpay tayo sa gawain ito. Thank you.